Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best tire straps is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for anyone who transports vehicles on a trailer, ensuring your precious cargo stays securely in place during transit and preventing potentially dangerous situations on the road. These straps are designed to provide a reliable and robust connection between your vehicle's tires and the trailer, offering peace of mind and protecting both your investment and other road users from any mishaps that could arise from shifting loads. Investing in high-quality tire straps is not just about convenience, it's a critical safety measure that every trailer owner should prioritize for secure and worry-free transportation. Number 5. Rhino USA Recovery Tow Strap. Introducing the Rhino USA Recovery Tow Strap, your essential tool for any off-road adventure. This heavy-duty strap is designed for reliable vehicle recovery. We are an American-owned, family-operated business dedicated to providing you with the best customer support. Join the Rhino USA family today. Crafted from durable polyester, this weather-resistant strap offers superior strength and reliable protection. It's built to last through demanding recovery situations. Perfect for towing or pulling vehicles stuck on flat surfaces. It provides a reliable solution for recovery without causing damage. Featuring triple reinforced loop ends, it offers enhanced protection against wear and tear. These secure connection points ensure durability during recovery. We stand by our products with a real lifetime replacement guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied. What we like. This recovery strap offers exceptional brake strength for serious towing needs. Its durable, weather-resistant construction ensures reliability in tough conditions. If you frequently engage in off-road recovery or need a strap for heavy-duty pulling, this is your go-to choice. What people say. The straps are very strong and durable, holding the car securely in place. Easy to use and adjust, making the loading and unloading process quick and efficient. The ratchets are heavy-duty and provide excellent tension, ensuring the vehicle won't shift during transport. Number 4. Rhino USA Retractable Ratchet Straps, 2-pack. Introducing the Rhino USA Retractable Ratchet Straps, a reliable solution for securing your cargo. This pack includes 2 heavy-duty straps designed for ultimate convenience and safety. Support a family-run business with a passion for quality. Join the Rhino USA family and experience USA-based live phone support. Choose the best and avoid stress with these authentic, high-quality straps. They are designed and tested in the USA to exceed safety standards, ensuring your cargo is secure. Effortlessly manage excess strap length with a simple click of a button. These straps offer quick and convenient use in any situation. Built to last, they feature an electroplated zinc-coated ratchet, an ergonomic padded handle, and coated S-hooks for optimal durability and comfort. This set also includes 2 soft loop tie-downs, perfect for creating secure anchor points on various surfaces. Enjoy a versatile and reliable tie-down solution. What we like. Tired of dealing with excess strap? This self-retracting ratchet strap makes securing cargo a breeze with its instant retraction feature. If you value convenience and quick setup for your truck or trailer, this set is perfect for you. What people say. These straps are heavy-duty and hold my car down securely. The ratchets are smooth and easy to use, making the tie-down process quick and efficient. The wide straps provide excellent grip and prevent the tires from shifting during transport. Number 3. Rhino USA Will Chock Tie-Down Kit. Introducing the Rhino USA Will Chock Tie-Down Kit, designed for ultimate security. This kit provides a robust solution for safely securing your vehicles during transport. Support a proud father-son business by choosing Rhino USA. We are an American-owned, family-operated company committed to providing the best USA-based customer support. Our comprehensive kit includes all the necessary mounting hardware for a quick and easy installation. You won't need to make extra trips to the hardware store for parts. Simply position your vehicle, align the chocks, and bolt them down. Installation is fast, simple, and hassle-free, requiring no complicated steps or special tools. Keep your UTV stable during transport with our secure, over-the-tire design. It accommodates tires up to 35 inches in diameter, allowing full suspension movement and reducing strain on components. We stand by our product with a real lifetime replacement guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive solution for securing your vehicle on a trailer, including wheel chocks and ratchet straps. Its over-the-tire design ensures stability without restricting suspension movement. If you're looking for a hassle-free, all-in-one package to transport ATVs or UTVs, this is an excellent option. What people say. The straps are very strong and durable, holding the car securely in place. Easy to use and adjust, making the loading and unloading process quick and efficient. The heavy-duty construction ensures they can handle the weight of most vehicles without any issues. Number 2. Rhino USA Car Tie-Down Straps, 4-pack. Introducing the Rhino USA Car Tie-Down Straps, a robust solution for securing your vehicle during transport. This pack ensures your car stays put, no matter the journey. Crafted with durability in mind, these straps are designed and tested in the USA to surpass safety standards. You can trust them to keep your vehicle secure on any trailer. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: lasso straps, T-handle ratchet straps, and a heavy-duty storage bag. It's the ultimate tie-down solution. Our innovative over-the-tire design allows your vehicle's suspension to move freely. This not only reduces wear on components but also guarantees the straps remain securely in place. We stand by our products with a real lifetime replacement guarantee. If you face any issues, we're committed to ensuring your complete satisfaction with a replacement or refund. Join the Rhino USA family and support a father-son business dedicated to providing the best USA-based customer support. We're here for you every step of the way. What we like. With a robust 10,000 pounds brake strength and an over-the-tire design, these straps offer superior security for your vehicle during transport. The kit includes everything you need for a reliable tie-down. If you're hauling cars or powersports vehicles and prioritize maximum safety and ease of use, consider this black tie-down kit. What people say. These straps are very strong and durable, perfect for securing a car trailer. The ratcheting mechanism is smooth and easy to use, making it simple to tighten the straps. The wide straps provide excellent grip and prevent the tires from shifting during transport. Number 1. Rhino USA Car Tie-Down Straps, 4-pack. Introducing the Rhino USA Car Tie-Down Straps, your ultimate solution for securing vehicles during transport. These heavy-duty straps are designed for maximum safety and reliability. As an American-owned, family-operated business, we pride ourselves on providing the best USA-based customer support. Join the Rhino USA family and experience the difference. Our car hauler kit is built to last a lifetime, designed and tested in the USA to exceed safety standards. Ensure your vehicle is always secure while trailering. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: lasso straps, T-handle ratchet straps, a heavy-duty storage bag, and Velcro for securing excess strap. The over-the-tire design allows your vehicle's suspension to articulate freely, reducing wear on components and preventing straps from coming loose during transport. We stand by our products with a real lifetime replacement guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund. What we like. This tie-down kit offers the same robust 10,000 pounds brake strength and secure over-the-tire design as its black counterpart, ensuring your vehicle stays put during transit. It comes as a complete package for your convenience. If you prefer a green aesthetic for your trailer setup or are looking for a comprehensive and secure tie-down solution, this kit is a great choice. What people say. These straps are heavy-duty and worked perfectly for securing my car to the trailer. The ratchet mechanism is smooth and easy to use, making the tie-down process quick and secure. I was impressed with the quality of the material. It felt very durable and capable of holding a lot of weight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.